So obviously you talked about skills as well within board and also within the team. So at the same time, this moves at a faster pace that we know. I think every day there are new plugins or skins coming out of for every single use case. So you already mentioned about it. I mean, like, one of the things is, yes, how much it already knows about. The second thing is important thing you talked about is the data readiness, right? So it knows all these things, but then these are some of the data that you have. How has generative AI, or this flux that's happened in these 2 years, has accelerated the adoption of data readiness within your company? Talk me through.
Yeah, I think when we look at FM, and certainly we operate on a CAFM system, and we've got lots of different data sources and things like that. And I think AI, the generative AI, is probably looking at FM as a bit of a gold mine in terms of the amount of data sets it's got available.
Yep.
When you think about travel patterns, schedule and planning, energy consumption we spoke about, service level KPI data, how quick are we responding to things? There's lots and lots of different data sets. I think what we're experiencing now, and this is certainly, this is partners, not necessarily me creating them our days, is the Gen AI likes standardized data sets.
Correct.
So I think that's what we're sort of working towards now, is just making sure that our data sets are in order. But ultimately, what we found with sort of exploring different platforms and different systems is it's almost, there's a different formula for each system, and therefore, it's I guess we don't want to overcomplicate that, because ultimately, I think we want the AI technology to kind of lead us towards what sort of data sets we want, if that answers the kind of question.
Yes, totally, brilliant. I think this is where it comes with an open-mindedness, which is like, hey, I know the data is not fully prepared, because we have been collecting data in any forms. It could be from CAFM, it could be from spreadsheet, it could be from your sensors, it could be from your schedules, whatever you have it. But then how can you standardize it? So what that's happening here is, because of Gen AI, the adoption of data or the interest in data is actually accelerated. So you might not be using Gen AI, but we'll come back to it. But you might be actually collecting the data, processing it, and visualizing data in a more structured way. Not using Gen AI, but in a structured way with dashboards, Power BI, whatever is it. We'll come to that, which is like, yes, it's not Gen AI, but there is automation that's happening. We'll come to that at the very end.
Thanks for watching. For more insights and updates, make sure to follow barchurain.com.